Oh, welcome to my show, Creations of Clay. My name is Louis Palladini, and I am the producer of the show, Creations of Clay. And I want to show you the 3 Telly Awards I received for my show. I know that I write on my little caption there that I have an award-winning show, but I wanted to show you the actual awards that I had won. It's really cool. This here, it says 2014 Telly Award, Creations of Clay, Louis Palladini, producer. And then on 2015, this is Telly Award, Creations of Clay, Louis Palladini, producer. And then I like this because it says the Telly Awards, Creations of Clay, Louis Palladini. This was for 2018. But what I like about these awards is they're really cool because they almost remind me like the Oscars that the stars receive in Hollywood. And it's pretty cool. They're probably about 8 or 10 inches tall. They're really nice, and I'll rotate them around so you can get a better look at them. They're really cool. You see my hand in there, kind of gives you an idea of how big they are. And I'm just going to rotate that. And that's what they look like from the back. And I was very proud when I received these, because it's the awards are given for like outstanding shows on cable access, and I was really excited when I did get these. But I just wanted to show you what the Telly Awards look like, and thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again, and good night.